Hello everyone, today's video is going to be a review of ComfortWorks. It's a company that makes customized slipcovers and covers for your furniture. I actually happened to receive a sample from them, and I also received a full cover for my IKEA Vimle couch.
So the first thing you want to do is head over to comfortworks.com. It'll help you customize your sofa according to your brand and your style, and it'll lead you all the way to the customized size of your particular couch. Here you'll just go through the process of picking your samples, order them, they're free, and you just have to pay the shipping. And as you can see, I am not really steering far from what I already have in terms of color because I do want to keep it neutral. In the end, I decided to go with this stone performance fabric. I'm going to leave the name for it down below for you guys to see. Okay, let's take a quick look at what the couch looked like before. I've washed this cover several times. This is the original one that comes with the Vimle couch. Yeah, it was just really not looking too good, so I was actually really happy to be doing this and giving it a makeover. As you guys know, you do have to take this sofa apart to be able to put all of the covers on, and ComfortWorks makes it really easy by attaching all of these little tags to each fabric piece, and I was really surprised with how well they fit because I thought maybe they would be a little bit loose, but they're actually super snug, and I want to say they almost fit better than the original IKEA covers, which is crazy. But here's the final reveal, and one thing I do want to say is that the texture of the fabric came out so good and very, very close to the sample. I actually really love this cover so much. I wish that this was the original one, but I'm so glad that there is a company that makes covers because I totally recommend this one, and it's a performance fabric, so it spot cleans very well. My son already got some things on here and I was able to just blot it off with some water and soap, and it's actually so durable and so comfortable. It's sewn very well. It does not look cheap at all. It actually, to me, looks like this is what was supposed to come with this couch altogether. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and let me know down below if you have an IKEA couch and if you would try this.